So you're welcome back. As you can see my work, I've grown it to an extent. um and I made 15 double crochet, I made 15 chains, then I made double crochet on it. So now I have like how many lines? Sorry about the noise you're hearing. We're repairing something in the roof, so just bear with me for today. So we have 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth step of double crochet that I'm doing on it. Today I'm going to complete this. We are going to do a little project. So let me just complete this and have a shape called um, rectangle rectangle rectangle. So now I'm through. I can take my scissors, snipe it off like this. You must leave at least a length like this for weaving in. I will let you know what weaving in is. So what you're going to do is that you can actually make another uh, chain stitch so that your work will not unravel. So you do it like this, you move like this, do it like this. You can see it's going nowhere, so it's not going to unravel like this. So this is what is called a tapestry needle or big eye needle. We have also have it in plastics. This is the metal type. So what you have to do next, this is, like I said, a rectangle. So we're going to try and weave in our end. And what you're going to do is that you take this, can do it this way, roll it, take the eye of this needle, just put it there, bring it out. See, it's easy. So if you want to weave in your end, just make sure you can go in like this. This line like this. This one is out like this. Okay, can go back, but not through the same path. Can go out like this, do like this. So just do it straight. So you take your scissors and you snip it off. You can see it will not show anything. It's okay, nice edging. So you go back to the starting point too. That's why I told you must leave certain length of yarns so that you can do your weaving in. So you can weave in and put it inside like this. So you can do it this way too, if you like. Come in this way, bring it out. Don't pull it too tight. So you can have this one back. You can take another one this way through another path and just bring it out like this, and you're done with that. So what you do, you snip it off. You can see it's not showing anything that you have done there, and it is neatly done. So you have your rectangle. So now you take some part of the yarn, maybe like this length, a couple of inches, snip it off, keep it down, take all those ones off. So now we are going to make a bow. We're going to make a bow. So you can see how easy crochet is. When you do crochet, you enjoy the benefit of it. You can easily make quick hair accessories. This is how to make a bow, depending on the way you want to make it. You can do it this way. Bring these two sides together and flip this side, flip this side, like this. Then just right in the middle, you take your yarn, tie, tie and tie and tie, tie. Make sure it's in the middle. Tie it, roll, 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 and roll, and roll. So you can now do it inside. Tight here. This is the inside. This space is not going to show. It's not going to show. So tight like this. Then you grab your scissors, and what you do, you can snip it off. So now you have a bow. You have a bow, a beautiful bow. So make sure this one is centralized. So you can shape it either way you like. If you like, make it this way. Pull this one down. Pull this one down. Looks beautiful. If you like, you can do it back the normal way. Just make sure you come clean. Structure. Beautiful. So anyhow you want it, to be. So in our next I want you to just think of how you can attach it. Maybe you have an idea before I tell you my own. Maybe you have an idea of what to use it for, and what you can attach at the back so that you can be able to use it. Let me know when you finish your project for today. So I want to see. Then I'll put my own suggestions too. At least you are all learning. So I hope you like it. God bless you.